In this video, we have given that fx is equal to px plus q and f of fx is equal to 8x plus 21. Where p and q are real numbers, then p plus q is equal to what? So we have given that fx is equal to px plus q and f of fx will be equal to p times px plus q and it is p square x plus pq plus q and f of fx will be equal to p times p square x plus pq plus q plus q and this is equal to 8x plus 21 is equal to pqx plus p square q plus pq plus q and if we compare coefficient of x, then we will get pq is equal to 8 or p is equal to 2. And if we compare constant term, then we will get p square q plus pq plus q is equal to 21 and p is 2, so p square will be 4, q plus 2q plus q is equal to 21 and it is 7q is equal to 21 or q is equal to 3. So p plus q will be equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5. It is 5.